Hi all ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to talk about how can you make more passive earning with one gaming desktop or from your personal computer. So first of all, I will take you to my those applications which are I'm using it now. So first of all, let's talk about the peer to profit. So this is one of the best app amongst others because it's got the very high earning. So I'll show you my previous transaction here. It's at $44 in LTC, $30. So this $30 is less than in 1 month. So that means I'm making around $40 to $45 per month from this app. So and also you can withdraw in many options: Litecoin, Bitcoin, Perfect Money, Ripple, etc. So also you can see in my dashboard this $18 is ready to withdraw. So next one is I'm talking about the Honeygain. So this one also same as peer to profit by selling your unused internet data and giving you back some money. You can see here $13.76 is in my dashboard. And also I can show you my transaction previous history. $20 two times I have already withdrawn from here. So these are the applications. It's very good for the passive earning. You don't need to do anything. You just need to download it and run it and leave it and you can forget it until you remember, and you'll have more money. So next one is a packet stream. This is also same as previous one, Honeygain and peer to profit. Also selling data and giving you back some money. You can see here traffic sold 42.42 GB and it's only giving around $10. It's a little bit less earning, however it will add up your passive earning so that it will be good in the long run. Next one is on app. This one also same as previous one, selling your data and giving you back some money. Good thing in this app is you don't need to worry about any withdrawal. If you set your PayPal address here, it will automatically withdraw to your PayPal address, which I can show you in transaction. This once you reach $2.60 or $2.50 around, it will automatically pay you back in PayPal address. So next one is Trap Monetizer. This is also same as previous one, selling your data and giving you back some money. A little bit less earning here and it's very slow. However, it is good for passive earning. You don't need to do anything. You just set it and forget it. Once you reach $10 around minimum, and you can withdraw from here as well. So next one, same as previous one, IP Royal Pawn. IP Royal Pawns. This is also same as previous one. Once you reach minimum $5, you can withdraw from here as well. So these are the applications. You can set it and forget it for the passive earning. You can check in 2 to 3 months. Everyone, I hope everyone is using their personal internet and paying fully every month as a Wi-Fi or any other mobile app. You can use these applications for passive earning, and it can recover your monthly cost for any internet. So next one is I'm going to talk about one of my favorite previous years. This is, you can see, CryptoTab browser. So this was a very good app in previous years, but however it is a little bit less earning now. However, it is free and you can earn a little bit from here. You can earn more from Cloud Boost, also from the NFT mining. However, I don't suggest these things because I haven't tried yet. Maybe you can try yourself. However, it's maybe you can only return your money, so that I'll not suggest to do these things. But you can make lots of referral here, and you can earn more from referral in free. I can show you my previous withdrawal history from here. You can see here lots of withdrawal I have made from here. So this one also very good for the passive earning. So these are the applications you can use and make more passive earning by doing nothing. Next one is I would like to talk about if you got the graphic card, you can use or you can run those things as well in the same time, which I'm running it in the same time. I'm going to show you. So you can see here one of the 1660 Ti graphic card, which is running for the solo Ethereum mining. This is running as a lottery miner. If I hit a block, I'll be lucky. If I don't hit a block within this Ethereum 2.0, that's all right. It will not make me much loss. So next one, this one is RX 580 8GB, which is I'm running also in the solo ergo mining. So this one also is a lottery miner. If I hit a block, I'll be lucky. If I don't hit, that's all right. I've got another 2 cards which are running and covering for the electricity bills, which I'm going to show you next. So these 2 graphic cards are mining in 2miners.com, which you can see here, solo mining. From the solo mining, I had a block in last month, so I was lucky at that time. Still I am mining it as a solo miner. Next one is Ethereum. I haven't got any block here, but still there might be chance to get block, might not be getting any block within that proof of stake coming in next September. So I'll leave this as a solo mining for the lottery miner. So next one is I'm going to talk about the Pulsar coin mining. So next one is Pulsar coin mining. You can mine Pulsar coin from the CPU as well, which I'm mining CPU here, CPU mining. You can see here, and also in the Pulsar wallet dashboard, you can see how much Pulsar coin I have made. But these coins are mined by all 4 GPUs, not only from the CPU. These are tested last week for a 1 week coin. You can see here how much coin I have made. I can show you in the Pulsar coin site on the Jork pool. You can see here I have mined as a pool. I was mining in the pool before, but I had a block, so I tried with solo mining and I had got lots of block. So still mining with the CPU here. Hash rate you can see in the share mode, pool mining 102 kilo hash. So it's every 2 to 5 minutes it's making around 1.11 Pulsar coin. You can see here as well. You can see how much I made Pulsar coin, and still pending is by CPU. So those are the things you can make in the same time with one gaming desktop or personal computer. So one thing I forgot to mention about the Pulsar coin site, once in the Pulsar coin wallet, once you unlock the encrypt wallet, it will be mining as a staking. So if this Pulsar coin is mining, staking, and proof of work both. So if you unlock here, it will be staking and it will mining as well from the staking, and you might get a block in few weeks or few months from here. So that's all for now, guys. Thank you very much. Bye bye.